Welcome to this video on Loci. This presentation will explore the definition of a locus and examine several geometric examples presented by science. A locus is a set of points that satisfy a specific rule. This set can take the form of a line, a curve, or a region within a plane. In our first example, we find the locus of points that are exactly 5 centimeters from point A. This creates a circle with point A as the center and a radius of 5 centimeters. Next, we look for points that are 3 centimeters from line segment AB. The resulting locus is formed by 2 parallel straight lines and 2 semicircles at the ends. When we need to find points that are the same distance from 2 lines, AB and AC, the locus is the angle bisector of angle BAC. For points that are equidistant from 2 specific points, A and B, the locus is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment connecting them. If we look for points equidistant from 2 intersecting straight lines, the resulting locus is made from 2 straight lines that bisect the angles between them. In this example, we observe a wheel rolling along the ground. The locus of a point P on the rim of the wheel traces a specific, curved path known as a cycloid. Similarly, if an equilateral triangle is rolled along the ground, the locus of a point P at one of its vertices creates a series of connected arcs. Here, 2 goats are tethered to opposite corners of a field. The locus of points reachable by both goats is defined by the intersection of the 2 circular regions they can move within. Constructing the locus of points that are 3 centimeters from a triangle requires mapping the path at a constant distance from each side and each vertex. To find a specific region R inside a triangle, we construct the angle bisector of CAB and identify points within 4 centimeters of point B. Finally, we identify the region R that is nearer to point A than point B and closer to line AD than line AB by constructing the appropriate perpendicular and angle bisectors.